Guys, so today we're going to go over how to find the approximate value of sine of 3 pi over 5. So a couple things. One, if it asks for the exact value, that is the value you see on the unit circle. In radical fraction form, just it's the exact value. Approximate means we're rounding that value. So we've got a decimal value. Now, a couple things. This angle, 3 pi over 5, is in radians. So we're pretty much just going to plug this into the calculator, but make sure that your calculator is set to radians because the angle is radians, not degrees. So in this lovely plethora of calculators I have here to determine where the setting is for radians and degrees, for the TI-30XS, you would click under mode and you'll see a setting to select radians. For the second one, there is a DRG button, which will allow you to change it from degrees to radians to gradients. We don't need gradients. TI-84, same thing. You're just going to click on mode, and then you'll see the options for the angle. And finally, for this last calculator, also go under DRG. So this is where you can kind of change the angles from radians to degrees or vice versa, depending on what you're given. And once you type in the sine of 3 pi over 5, you should get approximately 0.95. So from here, we're going to move on to finding the exact value. So exact value means it has to come from the unit circle of the cosine of negative 240 degrees. Now, negative 240 is not on the unit circle. You could find it going around the unit circle in a clockwise manner rather than counterclockwise, but I've noticed most of you like the algebraic method, which is to find the coterminal angle or to just simply add 360 degrees to it. So if I take negative 240 plus 360 degrees, that'll give me 120 degrees. And that is on the unit circle. So basically the same thing as me saying cosine of negative 240 degrees is the same thing as finding cosine of 120 degrees. So if I go to 120 degrees, the cosine value, which is in the second quadrant, cosine is always the x value, that would be negative 1/2. All right, guys, hope this helps.